Hi, my name is Brendan Bohan, and I am a Solutions Engineer here at SingleStore. Today we're going to be talking about how to schedule your first notebook. In previous videos, we saw what a SingleStore notebook is and how to set one up. But did you know that you can run scheduled jobs based off of these notebooks that run hourly, daily, or even weekly? So how do we do this? First thing we're going to want to do is navigate to the Data Studio tab. This is where all development of your app can be done. Here we see all our notebooks. A very important note is that for scheduled notebooks to work, they must be shared, meaning viewable by the entire organization. As you can see, I already have a shared notebook that creates and runs pipelines from external sources. You can check out how I built this in our previous Running Pipelines in SingleStore video. We'll click into that notebook and navigate to the top right corner where it says Schedule. There we can name the notebook, give a brief description, and even decide the deployment. This will depend on the size of your workspace and workload. If this is a compute-intensive notebook, then choose your workspace accordingly. Next, it will ask you for the start time, and if you'd like to have it set to recur. A note here. If a job takes 5 minutes to complete and the next run is scheduled an hour later, then the next run will be done an hour and 5 minutes after the first job started. Finally, you can add some other options like parameters to make it more dynamic or even save all of your execution results. Then click Create Job, and now you have a job scheduled to run. To check the status of these jobs, you can check the Jobs tab on the left. That will notify you of any failures or long-running jobs. And there you have it, how to create your first scheduled notebook. Get creative with it, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to speak with the team.